start.
Hi, I'm Zishan Nawaz. I'm nominated from Literature and Culture Department from PG and Research. So first of all, I thanks all of you for nominating me and considering me as a candidate. Okay. And
Why do you want to stand for the post you have filed your nomination for?
actually, literature and culture. From my childhood, I am very interested in cultural program. I participate in dances and singing and dramas. So I feel confident. And after that, in PG and UG level, I organize lot of functions, lot of events. So I feel confident, and from that I get the confidence that I can organize here also and do better thing and involve new ideas and all these things to in new creative ideas in this NIT from cultural department.
How would you judge the if a secretary is successful or not at the end of the year?
End of the year, cultural literature and cultural, as we know that this is NIT and all from India. There are lot of diversity. There are a lot of students from different states. So the literature and culture, in literature and culture, we have to value all this religion, all this culture, all this state, and we organize all these events in our cultural events, so that every student from every region should get interest and involved in the events. And if a cultural secretary have the capability to organize all the culture in a same roof, then that means is a successful.
What changes would you like to bring as a secretary?
From last year, I noticed that the programs are scheduled at a time, but not started at the scheduled time. That is the main problem. The students are not interested because there are so many late happens. So first of all, I should try to start the events in proper time. Second, the promotion of the events is very important. Most of the students don't know about the events, when it happens and what time, the venue. So I will promote them to more, so that every student can come and see all these events. And third, involvement of PG students and rest of the students to involve in this event. So more and more people, if interested and involved, then the events get much bigger. So vote for me. I should change. I should take care of you.